Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl Linda Sims of the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. You guessed it. I don't know how did you know, but you know I am back to teach you another line dance, the same old love. It is a one wall dance, and it has a bridge and some changes in it. But it's real simple, guys. It's a nice warm up or cool down dance, okay? I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. Also, if you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you want the music to this dance, we can dance along. I'll post it at the end of this dance. Guys, also, Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself personally invite you to a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can already book your room through our website, and registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. For detailed information, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. So I'm standing on this side of the room and you look in this direction, okay? Looking in this direction. Of course, like I said, it's a one wall dance. Same Old Love by KIRK. So it starts with a shuffle up on the right and pivot. We're making a half turn. And it goes up on the right, the weight is going to be on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right, step, left, pivot, half. Okay? That left heel is up. Finish with a shuffle on the left. Right, step, right, out, left. From here, my left heel is up. I'm going to cross over. Left, right, shuffle. Left, tap, right. That is the end of part 1. I'm here at this wall. I told you it's a one wall dance. I'm going to go back to the front doing the same thing. My weight is on the left. My right heel is up. I'm going to shuffle up on my right. Step left, pivot half. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and right, step left, pivot half. Left, right, out, left. Cross left, right, shuffle. Left, tap, right. Okay, we'll put that together. That's it. I'm back at my wall and I'm ready to move on. But let's review that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and right, step, left, pivot half. Left, step, right, out, left. Cross left, right, shuffle in place. Left, tap, right. Shuffle. Right, step, left, pivot half. Left, step, right, out, left. Cross left, right, shuffle. Left, tap, right. There you go. From here, my right heel is up. I'm going to move up with a right-left triple step and a left-right triple step, moving forward. And I'm going to come back with a pretty girl. Out right, back left. Out left, back right. Out right, back left. Out left, back right. Coming back into this position. Up on your right. Right, left, triple. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Out right, back left, out left, back right, out right, back left, out left, back right. 4 times. Moving up, right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. Out right, cross back, out left, cross back, out right, cross back, out left, together. Okay, so now let's go back to the top and put that together. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle right, right, step, left, pivot half. Left, step, right, out, left. Cross left, right, shuffle. Left, tap, right, shuffle. Right, step, left, pivot half. Left, step, right, out, left. Cross left, right, shuffle. Left, tap, right. Up, right, left, triple step. Up, left, right. step. I'll cross back on your right, on your left, on your right, and your left together. Yes. Now, let's do a tap lift on the right, a tap lift on the left, and we're going to weave to our left, stepping on that right. So this is how it goes. Tap and lift, front, step, back, step, front, together. Tap, tap and lift on the left, and step front, step back, step front, together. Okay? Tap and lift. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Weave 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tap 1 and 2 on the left and the right. Weave 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tap and lift. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left 1 and 2. Right 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now we're going to do a ballroom turn. Rock back, recover, half turn. Rock back, recover, half turn. Sailor right, sailor left, and rock up. With the hip rock. Right, left, left. That's pretty much the end of the dance, okay? We do have our little bridge. That's really easy. It's going to go all the way around to 4 walls, okay? So let's take it from the tap and lift. And with the weave to your left. On the left, tap and lift. On the left and the right, and then we weave to our right. We rock back, recover, half turn, rock back, recover, half turn, sailor right, sailor left, and then push and pull with the heel, with the hip. 5, 6, 7, tap and lift. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Rock back, recover. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your hip rock is right, left, right, left. Okay, so let's go back to the top, to the very top. Okay, we'll shuffle up on the right. That is pretty much the dance. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle right. 1 and 2. Step pivot half. Shuffle left. Step right out left. Cross left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Half. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Step 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7 and 8. Pretty girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Back 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hip 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's it. So that's the first rotation. The second rotation, you start over again. Okay, the third after the second rotation comes your little bridge. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up, rock back, pivot, pivot. All 4 walls. Rock up, pivot, pivot. Rocking chair. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6. Next wall. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go into. You're not going to go all the way back to the top. You're going to go into your step drag triple. Step back triple. Pretty girl. And you tap lift. And you weave On the left, tap lift, weave, rock back, recover, half turn forward, rock back, recover, sail the right, sail the left, and the hip, here. And then tap lift again throughout the whole entire song, because that's the chorus. All right? So make sure you check out the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. Put in the name of the dance, Same Old Love, and you'll see LALA herself doing it. 251 line dancers. Also, don't forget to check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I'm looking forward, Let's Mess It Up and myself, we're looking forward to seeing you here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. What are you waiting for? I'm telling you early. Go ahead and book your room right now, and remember, registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. We have all the details at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.